Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the Level Up ID channel, and in this video, we will share with you how to reinstall Windows 10 Pro on your laptop or computer. Alright guys, this video might be a bit long because in this video we will discuss in detail how to install Windows 10 on your laptop or computer step by step. So, hopefully after you watch this video, you'll be able to install Windows 10 on your own laptop or computer. There will be 3 stages that we will go through in this video. First, we will download Windows 10 from the official Microsoft website. Then second, we will create a bootable flash drive like this, because we will use this flash drive to install Windows. And third, we will install Windows 10 Pro. So make sure you watch the video until the end, step by step, so you can reinstall Windows 10 or other versions of Windows by yourself on your laptop or computer. But before that, if this video is useful for you, please like this video, then press the subscribe button and activate the bell next to it so you get notifications for our next useful videos. Thank you. And now we will start with the first step, which is downloading Windows 10 Pro from the official Microsoft website. And now let's get on our laptop or computer first, friends. Okay, now just open your browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome. After that, type in Microsoft. Creation tool, after that press enter. Then select the top one, which is Microsoft.com. Download Windows 10 disk image or ISO file. Click here. Okay, after we get to this page, scroll down, then select Download Tool now. Click here. Then wait until the tool file finishes downloading, friends. Okay, friends, after the file is successfully downloaded, just click on the file that you have downloaded. Then select Yes. After that, you can minimize your browser. Here, you just wait a few minutes until a menu appears to start downloading the Windows file, my friend. So this depends on your network. The faster your network, the faster the loading will be, my friend. If your network is slow, you have to be patient and wait for the loading process, my friend. Okay, after it appears like this, you can select Accept. Then wait again for it to load. Okay, next, after a menu like this appears again, you can choose the top one. If you want to upgrade your PC from Windows 7 or Windows 8 to Windows 10, but if you want to download the Windows file, you choose the bottom one. Here, because we want to download the Windows file, we choose the bottom one. Create installation media USB flash drive. This one, guys. Next, you choose Next. Then here you can choose Language, Edition and Architecture. If you leave it as default, the settings will download in English, Windows 10 and also 64-bit. But we can also change these settings, guys. To do that, we remove the check mark here. Then we can choose the language here, then the Windows version, this is Windows 10, yeah. Next, for the architecture, we can choose either 64-bit or 32-bit, or both by selecting both here, guys. Okay, since we're going to download the 64-bit version, let's just choose 64-bit. Next, you select Next. Then here, there will be 2 menu options, guys. If you choose the top option, the advantage is that we don't need to create bootable media using another application, because later the installer file will be downloaded directly. But the downside if we choose the top one, first is that the size is bigger, because it's about 8 gigabytes. Then the second downside is that the potential for file corruption will be higher, because it's not in the form of an ISO file, my friend. Then the second one, if we choose the bottom one, the ISO file, the downside is that we need another application to extract or burn it to a flash drive so that we can use it later, to make it bootable, my friend. But the advantage is, the potential for corruption is smaller compared to if we choose the top one. And also its size is smaller. It's only about 4.4 GB, my friend. So here, please adjust it as you need. Do you want to download the one that you can save directly to the flash drive, or do you want to download the ISO version? Here, I suggest you download the ISO version so the file is safer and you can save it on your hard disk. So later, if you want to reinstall, you can just burn the ISO file you saved earlier onto a flash drive without having to download the Windows file again, guys. Okay, here we just choose the ISO file. Then after that, you select Next. Next, you choose the location to save the ISO file for Windows 10, guys. Okay, here we'll just save it on the desktop. Then you give it a name. For example, let's name it Windows 10. Next, you select save. After that, you wait for the download process to finish, guys. Of course, this will take some time. It will take quite a while because it's about 4.4 gigabytes that we're going to download. And it also depends on your internet speed, guys. The faster your internet, the faster the download process will be. Okay, guys, here the download process is finished. Now you can just click finish. Then you wait a few more minutes until the process is done. And this is the Windows 10 file that we have successfully downloaded, guys. You can see the size here. It's 3.94 GB or about 4 GB, and next we just need to burn the Windows 10 file that we've downloaded onto a flash drive, so that later we can make it bootable to reinstall Windows 10 on our laptop or computer, guys. Okay, now we're going to move on to the second stage. That is, we will make this flash drive bootable, guys. Okay, now please plug your flash drive into the laptop. After that, please download an application to burn the Windows file to the flash drive called Rufus. Please download it, the link is in the description of this video. Then after you download it, the file is portable like this, guys, so you don't need to install it. After that, just open the Rufus file, just double click here. Then you select yes. Next, if there's a message saying do you want to allow Rufus to update, you select no. And now we've successfully opened the Rufus application, guys. Next, under device, make sure you select your flash drive. Then after that, for the partition scheme and target system type, just leave them as they are. Leave the file system as NTFS. Then, leave the cluster size at 4096 bytes as well. So just leave everything at default, guys. Then give it a name. For example here, Windows 10. Okay, after that, select the ISO file that you downloaded earlier. Select the disk icon here. Then select the ISO file on the desktop. Here is the ISO file, guys. Click here, then choose open. Okay, then next you just need to select start. Now here our flash drive will be formatted, so make sure the data on your flash drive is already backed up. Then select OK. After that, just wait for the process to finish. Thank you. Okay guys, the burning process is finished here. Now you can just close it. And now we already have a bootable flash drive that we can use to reinstall our laptop or computer, guys. And now we will continue to the third step, which is installing our laptop or computer using the bootable drive we just made, guys. Okay, let's go straight to the third step, guys. Okay guys, now we will continue to the third step, which is starting to install Windows 10 on our laptop or computer. First, please plug in the bootable flash drive we made earlier into our laptop or computer, guys. Next, please turn on your laptop or computer by pressing the power button. When the screen starts to light up, press F2 to enter the BIOS menu, guys, to access the BIOS menu. Every computer or laptop has a different way. Some use the F2 key, some use F1, F4, F10, F12, and some use the delete key. So guys, please adjust it according to your own computer or laptop, and our goal is to enter the BIOS menu. This is to set the boot priority so that the flash drive we made bootable earlier becomes the #1 priority, so our laptop will boot from the flash drive that we turned into a bootable Windows 10 drive. Earlier guys, to set it up, you go straight to the boot menu, then after that you select hard drive. PBS priority, then you press enter, and here at #1 you press enter, then you choose the one that says Kingston Data Traveler. This is the flash drive that we plugged in earlier, guys. Okay, after that you can go back and to set the boot priority. Actually, every computer and every laptop has a different BIOS display and method, but the steps are almost the same. So for those of you whose BIOS display is different from this one, please go to the boot menu, then look for boot priority and set it as the boot priority. #1 should be your flash drive, friend. Okay, after we set the boot priority to #1, it should be our flash drive. Next, we save and restart our computer or laptop. Here we press F10. Then we choose yes to save the BIOS settings. Next, it will start restarting, and when something like this appears, just press the spacebar or another key to start booting from the flash drive. The one we've already plugged in, buddy. Okay, now we've entered the menu to start installing Windows 10, here it is. Here you can set the language, we'll leave it as English, then you can also set the time and currency format here. You can choose Indonesia, buddy. Okay, let's change it to Indonesia. Then for the keyboard or input method, we'll leave it as US. After that, we select Next. Next, select Install Now. Then wait for it to load until it reaches the next menu. Next, if something like this appears, just choose I don't have a product key, but if you already have a Windows activation code, you can just enter it here, friend. Since I don't have the product key here, I choose I don't have a product key. Now next, you just need to choose which version of Windows you want to install. You can choose Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Education, or Windows 10 Pro, friend. Here, I'm going to install Windows 10 Pro, so let's choose Windows 10 Pro here, friend. Next, we click Next. Then wait until you get to the next menu, friend. After you enter this menu, just check the box that says I accept the license terms. Check here, then select Next. Next, choose the Custom Install Windows Only option. Select the one below. After entering this menu, we can choose where to install Windows 10, friend. There are many partitions here. The first one, partition number 1, is a backup. Then partition 2 is the C drive. Partition number 3 is also a backup, and partition number 4 is the D drive where I store my files here, friends. Next, we will install our Windows on partition number 2 or the C drive. Make sure you don't make a mistake here so your files don't get deleted, friends. After you select the C drive, then we choose Format and then we select OK. So now the C drive, which contains Windows and the applications we've installed, will be formatted, friends. As for the other partitions, partition 1, partition 3 and partition 4, you don't need to format them. For those of you who are using a brand new hard disk or SSD, there will be a new menu here, friends. You can select the new menu to create a partition like this. So later you just need to select New, then enter the size you want and then choose Apply. It will then become a partition like this, friends. Okay, after we select drive C here and after we format it, next we just need to choose Next. Then, Windows 10 will automatically start installing on our laptop or PC. We just need to wait for the installation process to reach 100%, friends. Here, the installation speed will be affected by the SSD or hard disk that you use. If you use a hard disk, it will take a bit longer. But if you use an SSD, especially if you use an NVMe one, the installation process will be much faster, friends. If this appears, just leave it. Don't press anything, friends. Okay friends, after entering this menu, here we can choose our region. Here we select Indonesia, then we choose yes. Next, go here for other keyboards. Choose the layout and select US. Now here we can choose skip. Then here you can set up a connection to the internet, but here we just choose I don't have internet, guys. After that, we choose continue with limited setup. Next, it will restart again, and when it looks like this, don't press anything, just let it boot as usual, guys. Okay, after that we choose I don't have internet again. Then here we select continue with limited setup again. Now here you can name your PC. For example, let's name it Digo. Okay, after that we choose next. Then you can also enter a password if you want to set a password, but here let's just leave it blank for now and go straight to next. Then next, it's like a cut here. Then next we choose accept. Then next we choose yes. After that, we will start booting into Windows 10 that we have installed on our laptop or PC, friends. So just wait until it finishes loading, friends. Now here there's a note, wait a few minutes, don't turn off our PC or laptop. Okay friends, now we have successfully booted into Windows 10 on our laptop or computer. So now we have successfully installed Windows. Now you just need to install the drivers and also install the applications you want. Okay friends, so that's how to install Windows 10 on our laptop or computer. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Share this video so that more people can benefit from it, friends. Once again, thank you and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.